This bitch slip and slide J-Rock, killer Mike on a hard head beat with.
Hey guys, it's Cherelle here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you are new here, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell button so you will be notified every time I post a video. And first I want to start by apologizing if you guys hear any background noise. My daughter is watching her cartoons right now, so you might hear the cartoons in the background or hear her babbling. But yeah, today's video we are basically going to be doing a vanity tour. I'm going to be showing you guys my vanity, what I keep in it, what's on top of it, where I got everything from. So yeah, this is my vanity behind me. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but we're going to just jump right into the video. Okay, so from a distance, this is what my vanity looks like. I have my light, my actual vanity, and then I just have the chair. And yeah, so the acrylic chair I got from IKEA along with the little throw rug on it. And the actual vanity I got from IKEA as well. So I will list all that down below for you guys. But if you go there, if you look up acrylic chair, and you'll see the shag rug and everything there. And the actual light I got off of Amazon, so I'll link that below because I paid a fraction of the price. The ones I've seen online from what is it, Impressions Vanity? I believe so. One of those sites that sell these mirrors. They were going for like $400 to $500, and I was not about to pay $400 to $500 for a mirror. I found this one on Amazon for I think like $220. It was like $200 or $220, so very affordable. And yeah, so now let's get closer so I can show you guys everything. And what I love about this mirror is that it actually has an outlet. So I'm gonna just show you guys over here. It has an outlet you could use, and it's also dimmable. So that switch on the other side actually dims it. Let me see if I can show you guys. So that's the lights. See, you could dim them down, turn them off, or you could have them go super bright. So I really love that. And yeah, you could also, and it comes with an option to hang. You could either hang the mirror up on a wall. It has brackets and it comes with screws and stuff to put on your wall. Or you could put the bottom stand on it, which is what I did, and just place it on your vanity. Since I have mine in front of a window, I clearly couldn't hang it up, so I just used the stand. The stand is pretty wide, but half of it in the back is hanging off, and it still fits perfectly. It still gives me enough room to do my makeup. But yeah, this is my vanity. So to the left of my vanity, we have my makeup brushes and this holder I got off of Amazon. Like I said, everything I got offline, I will link it down below, so I'll try to find it for you guys. And I also got the little diamonds from Amazon as well, and I just put some of those in there. And all my brushes are either Morphe or Real Techniques. So yeah, this is just how I display my brushes. Over here I have my face brushes. Here are like some more smaller face brushes and eye brushes, and these are like all my eye brushes, concealer brushes, eyeliner brushes, and this section. So I like that it's 3 different sections, so I can like separate them. And yeah, it just fits perfectly over here, so I keep that right there on the side. And then here I just have a picture of my youngest nephew on my mirror. So right here I have these 2 little fake succulents because, let's be honest, I cannot keep a succulent alive for the life of me. So these were like $2, and I got them on clearance for like 70 something cents at one of my local drugstores. So that's that. And then we're going to come over here to the right. So on top of my vanity, I just keep my everyday mirror I use to get close-ups. If I got to do like my eye or makeup or anything like that, I use this mirror. Then I have my 2 go-to setting sprays. I have the Urban Decay The Slick setting spray, and then I have the NYX Matte Finishing Spray, which I love both of those. And then I just keep my 3 go-to Morphe palettes. I have the 3502, the 35B, and then the Jaclyn Hill palette. I always reach for these when I do any eye makeup on me, my sister. I always use these three, so they just stay right here because I don't really have anything else to put them on yet. And then below that is my acrylic case, and that's where I put all my everyday makeup that I use on a daily basis. So we will show you guys what I have in those. Okay, so the actual acrylic case I got off of Amazon as well, so I will link that down below. It's actually, I think, a jewelry storage case because it has a little black fabric on the bottom, and usually those are for jewelry. So yeah, let's just start. So in the first, it has 2 top small drawers, and it has 4 bigger drawers. So in 2 top drawers. So in this top drawer, I just keep my lip liners and my lip gloss and my lip liner pencil sharpener. These are my go-to lip liners. I just have my nudes, my reds, my darker reds, and I have a purple one in there. But these are just like my staple go-to lip liners, and I have a little Revlon lip gloss, and these are just what I go to on a daily basis, so I keep those over here. So yeah, and this one I just keep my, let's see, my eyebrow stuff, my eyeliner, and my eyelashes. So I have my dip brows. I have the Anastasia one, and I used to use the Milani one. That's what that one is. And then I have a eyebrow powder up there by e.l.f. Then here is my eyeliner. I just use that one if I do use eyeliner. And then for my eyebrow brushes, I use the Milani ones. So I just always save them because I used to always use the Milani brow gel. And then I have my tweezers because I put my eyelashes on with tweezers, and my eyelash glue. And that's what's in the top small one. Now for the top big drawer, this is all my face stuff, like my powders, my bronzers, highlighters. These are all my go-to that I use on a daily basis. So here I have my Milani bronzer that I use, and then I also have my Milani face powder that I use to contour my face. And then here I just have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I use that if I'm going out and I need something to really set my face. Then here I have Milani Single Eyeshadows. I use that to start off the base of my highlight, because they really pop. If you've seen my videos before, you see how it pops and it works nice. Then I have the Milani Tantastic. It says it's a bronzer, but I use it as a highlight. And then I have the Airspun powder over there that I use to like set my face before my foundation on, because I am a very oily person. And then I have my Revolution banana powder, and that I use for like under my eyes and stuff, and it works very, very good. I think it works just as good as the benign one, to be honest. So yeah, that's my daily face powders. And then in the next one, I just keep basically my concealers, my go-to liquid eyeliners, and yeah, so it looks just like this. So I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. As you can see, I have a couple of those. I have a couple of the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin concealer. I have the Tarte Shape Tape. I have this CoverGirl one I haven't used because it's kind of too dark and it's too thick for my liking. I have a NYX concealer. I have a Hard Candy. That was one of my originals that I first started using. So that's in there. I have extra LA Girl at the top. I also have these NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil, and that I just use if I'm doing like a vibrant color on my eyes. Then I have some glitter eyeliners, and then I have some of the NYX very colorful liquid eyeliners over there, and that's basically what's in this drawer. The next drawer is my go-to foundation / primers, and this is what's in this one. I like the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, so I've been using that. And then if I'm going to be out like all day or something, I will use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte because I am a very oily person. And then I also have, for the primers, I have the L'Oreal Infallible as well. I have a Maybelline one. I have the NYX one. This is more for your eyes, so if you're using like glitter or something, it'll help the glitter like be more vibrant on your eyes. And I have the Maybelline Baby Skin for your pores. And I just have a little sample of the Matte Prep and Prime. And that's what I keep in this one. So in here I just keep some of the other eyeshadow palettes that I use. So there's the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have the Lorac Pro. This was my first like expensive eyeshadow palette, so I will forever hold this, even though it is beat and jank. I will forever have it. And then here just a L'Oreal LA Palette 1 Nude. I found it on clearance at a drugstore, and honestly, I never used it. So those I just keep in there. And now, just for what's in my vanity drawer, this is what my drawer looks like. The acrylic cases that everything is in, I got off of Amazon as well. I have these single long ones right here, and then I also have these ones that come with 6 different dividers. So it has 3 small ones here, a big one in the middle, and then 2 medium-sized ones in the back. And also, I don't know if you guys could tell, but my drawer actually comes out more. I do have a video on that because when I did get this vanity, I didn't realize how much of the drawer space you actually can't use because it's stuck in there. And yeah, you can also tell from the outside, this vanity was actually pushed like probably like an inch in. And as you can see now, it's like flat with the, even out with the front of it. So like I said, I do have a video on how I did that and fixed it. So if you haven't watched it, I will link it up above for you guys. But yeah, let me show you what I have in here. So we'll start off over here on the left side. So in this one right here, I just keep, in these first 2, I just keep some of my go-to hair products on a daily basis. So I have hair ties, hair clips, I have brushes, I have my edge control brushes, combs, rubber bands, hair elastics, scrunchies, bobby pins. That's all that's in these 2 right here. The next one is my other foundation. So I have more L'Oreal, I have Milani, there's some CoverGirl in there, but these are just all my extra foundations. And this one right here. And then in this one, I just have my concealers. So I have my concealers that I use here, my extra concealers. And I also have some eyeliners over here that I use. I always use a liquid eyeliner or the gel ones. Those are my go-to. And then right here in this one, I just keep my mascaras here. And I also have some eyebrow pencils over here in the corner. And then for this one, it's kind of my miscellaneous one. Back in the back of here, I have some of my eyelashes. I just keep these containers when I get them, and I just put my extra eyelashes back there in case I ever need them. And I have some eyebrow scissors, a moisturizer, I have a stylus pen here, and then I have a eyebrow shaver because I don't really tweeze my eyebrows too often. I try to shave them just so my hair will grow back nice. And then right here, this is my bigger unit. I have 2 of them. So I have that one, and then I have one over here. So 6 of the long ones and then 2 of these bigger ones fit literally like perfect into this. So I did a good job getting those. So in this big one right here, I just keep some of my eyeshadow primers. And then in these 2 right here, I just keep extra face powders. There's a bronzer here, right here. And then here I have some Milani single eyeshadows. I have extra of the Milani like dip brow stuff. These are empty though, and I keep those because sometimes I put, you know, lip scrubs in them, and they're also good when you travel. If you're not going away too long, you can put like little your moisturizer, the face creams in these, and it just saves a lot of storage for you. Then I have these little bronzer and highlighter sticks. These right here, they came with some of these lip glosses I have. You're supposed to put like glitter on it to make it sparkly in the middle, so I just keep those in there. And then I have another extra little face bronzer, and then there's a blush that I never use. And then this is, I just keep this here because my mom got it for me and she passed away, and it's just like a necklace and a bracelet, and I just keep that here because I don't really have anywhere else to like put it, and I don't want it to like go, you know, just be out and getting a little rustic and stuff. So I just keep it in here so it's by itself, safe. And then in the back I have, it's like some random stuff. I have some eye drops. I have my little clicker that I use to start and focus on me, that like helps focus on me if I don't use autofocus. For my camera, I have some C-bands because when I was pregnant I got like nauseous a lot, so my manager gave me those and they actually worked. That's a little tip. You just put them on both of your wrists and it hits pressure points to make you not nauseous, because I wasn't throwing up, I was just feeling nauseous and it was weird. Then here I have 2 of the Wet n Wild contour and highlight things. And then On the other side of that one, I just keep my other like smaller eyeshadow palettes back there. And then in the last one, this is like my really miscellaneous drawer. So right here, I just keep my chapsticks and other lip glosses in that one. And then in these two, I have my dirty beauty blenders. So those are right there. I need to clean them soon. And then right here, I have just stacks of eyelashes that I go to every day. I have a eyelash curler. I have my Neutrogena Hydro Boost face moisturizer, and I also have the eye gel. And then all the way in the back, I have more palettes there. And then I have a double pack of extra beauty blenders. I go through those a lot. And then I have a face moisturizer all the way back there in the corner. Then I have a Biore strip. And then I have this little waxing pen that you could use to like wax your lip or your eyebrow, whatever you really want. I have those, and it comes with little pads and stuff back there. And that's basically what's in my vanity. So here's just like an overlook of it. Like I said, I will try to list all of the items that I can in the description. So yeah, that's basically my vanity tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And like I said before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.